In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove game files from Steam tool. If you're trying to free up disk space or tidy your library, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and cleanly. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. You can double-click the desktop icon or find Steam in your applications list. Once Steam is open, head to your library, where all of your games are listed. Take a moment to find the specific game you want to remove. Before you continue, keep in mind that uninstalling a game removes its local files from your computer, but it doesn't usually affect cloud saves. If you have local mods or custom files, those might be removed with the uninstall unless you back them up first. Right-click the game's title to open the menu, then go to Manage. From there, choose Uninstall. Steam will ask you to confirm. Select Uninstall again to start removing the game files from your computer. If you want to go further and remove the title from your account entirely, choose Remove from Account instead. That option revokes your ownership of the game, so only use it if you're sure you don't want access to that title anymore. For most people, uninstall is the right choice, because you can reinstall later without repurchasing if you still own the license. After you confirm, wait for Steam to complete the process. The time this takes depends on the game size and your system speed. Keep Steam open and avoid closing it while it's working. If you want to be extra thorough, you can manually check for leftover files. Open your File Explorer and navigate to Steam's game folder. On Windows, the default is C, Program Files Steam Apps, and on Mac it's in Library Application Support Steam Apps. If you've installed Steam or games to another drive, go to that Steam Apps folder instead. Only delete folders related to the game you just uninstalled, and be careful not to remove anything you still need. Occasionally, a game may still appear as installed even after removal. If that happens, clear Steam's download cache. In Steam, open Settings, go to Downloads, and choose Clear Download Cache, then restart Steam. After logging back in, your library should show the game with an install button, confirming the files are gone. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.